Today we're going to talk about a concrete strategy for counting in multiples. A concrete strategy is one where you use manipulatives to help you solve the maths, instead of using pictures or doing it in your head. We're going to talk about this today using some 1000s, some hundreds, some tens, and some ones. So let's get right to it. I'm going to start by counting in sixes. So I'm going to start off by putting my number down. We're not going to start from 6, we're going to start from the number 4. So you can see here that I've got 4 ones, and I'm going to write 4 just above it so that I know. I'm now going to add 6 to my 4. So I put 4 down again. And I'm going to put 6 more ones on top of it. Because we're counting in sixes, we need to add 6 more on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What we've got here is a really long line as well, and I think we might have more than 10. So I'm going to push them all together, and I'm going to see if I've got more than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got a 10 there, so actually, to make it easier, I'm going to swap it for a 10. So 4 and 6 more is 10. Going to add another 6. We're going to start with our 10. Then, because we're counting up in sixes, I'm going to add 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And I'll write that on the top. I'm going to add another 6 to make our pattern. So I go to 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And I need to add 6 more because we're counting in sixes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can definitely see we've got 10 more here because my line of ones is much larger than my line of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I've got 10, 20, 21, 22. And I'm going to do one more to finish off my pattern in sixes. So I go 22, 10, 20, 21, 22. And I add 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got 10, 20, and 8. So there is my pattern, counting up in sixes from 4 up to 28. And each time I added 6 more. And if I had more than 10, I swapped it out for a 10. I can see really easily here how the number increases in value by 6 every single time. Okay. Let's try with a different number. Now let's try with a bigger number. I'm going to start with 100 and 10, 11, 12. And I'm not going to add 6 this time, I'm going to add 7. So we're going to count up in groups of 7. So I start with 100. I'm going to put these on top to give me some more space. 100, 10, 11, 12, and I need 7 ones to help me count up in sevens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this time I've got 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I count on 7 again. 100 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 119, and I need to add 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I've gone way over 10 there, so I'm going to swap one over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I've got 100 and 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 126. So this time we've practiced adding 7. So 112 and 7 more is 119, and 119 and 7 more is 126. See if you can practice this counting in different multiples, and make sure you look for patterns in the numbers after you have finished.